laser dekat sini. Aktiviti kita potong tanah, buat slope apa semua ni, buat jalan lah.
The hydraulic system in an excavator is powered by the engine. Engine is the most important part to make all of this machine system fully on. The engine drives a hydraulic pump which pressurizes the hydraulic fluid and sends it to the control valve. The control valve are responsible for directing the flow of the hydraulic fluid to the various hydraulic cylinder that control the excavator movement. So here is the control valve. When the operator moves the control lever to operate a particular function, the control valve opens the appropriate hydraulic cylinder, allowing hydraulic fluid to flow in and move the cylinder. The hydraulic fluid then returns to the hydraulic tank where it filtered and reused. So next we have the track chain. Essentially, there is a motor located at the back of the track chain that controls its forward and backward movement. Here is a graphic animation showing how the hydraulic pump up fluid to the track chain motor.
Alright, so let's go to the next part, which are the boom, arm and bucket of this machinery. Before operating this machine, it has to be in a lock position. Even if we activate it using the control lever, nothing will happen. In other means, all system hydraulic of this machine are off. So to start operating back this machine, it has to be in the unlock position. So here is a clip of animation showing the fluid flow for the piston cylinder for each of the part, which are the boom, arm and also the bucket of this machine. So next we move to the control mechanism. So first, these two, 1 and 2 control lever controls the boom, arm and also the bucket. So here shows the short demonstration by the supervisor on how it operates. Then for the middle control lever, it controls the track chain and also the swing drive of this machine. So now is the demonstration for how the track chain operates. So firstly, it goes forward. And then it goes backward. And this is the demonstration for the swing drive. So this is the homing position. As soon as the machine has completed the task, it has to be manually positioned like this. Alright, so we have come to the end. That's all from us for the explanation about the hydraulic excavator. Thank you for your time listening and watching to our video, and goodbye.